Exploring the subjective nature of truth in proof-of-stake security, this presentation delves into the technical examination of weak versus strong subjectivity in consensus mechanisms and their implications for blockchain security assumptions. Our agenda covers fundamental concepts, the subjectivity spectrum, attack vectors, mitigation strategies, and security trade-offs, with a focus on Ethereum's implementation and the nuances of weak and strong subjectivity models. Proof-of-work systems like Bitcoin achieve consensus through objectively verifiable computational work, ensuring security properties such as canonical chain identification and historical immutability, creating a self-contained security model. Cryptographic foundations of proof-of-work include hash functions, computational difficulty, and security guarantees, ensuring objective consensus without external trust, contrasting with proof-of-stake subjective nature. Proof-of-stake systems replace computational work with economic stakes, introducing a new paradigm where consensus is determined by validator signatures, challenging the notion of objective consensus. Long-range attacks exploit the absence of objective measures in POS, allowing adversaries to create alternative chain histories, highlighting the vulnerability of nodes that have been offline. Weak subjectivity allows nodes that remain connected to determine the correct chain, relying on validator attestations, but does not solve issues for nodes that have been offline. Strong subjectivity requires new nodes to obtain trusted checkpoints from external sources, ensuring they can independently determine the canonical chain, representing a shift from POW security models. The subjectivity spectrum ranges from pure objectivity in POW to strong subjectivity in POS, with varying trade-offs in security assumptions, efficiency, and trust requirements. Long-range attacks in POS systems arise from economic properties, allowing adversaries to create alternative histories without penalties, highlighting the need for proportional costs or external trust. The mathematical formulation of subjectivity bounds in POS systems defines the maximum time a node can be offline while maintaining security, emphasizing the importance of validator set size and safety probability. Ethereum's mitigation strategies include finality gadgets, slashing conditions, withdrawal delays, and frequent checkpoint creation to address POS security risks. Checkpoint distribution mechanisms involve client software, social consensus, and light client protocols, ensuring a robust security layer for POS systems. Weak versus strong subjectivity impacts security implications, affecting trust assumptions, attack resistance, finality, bootstrapping, and recovery in POS systems. Comparative analysis of subjectivity across consensus mechanisms highlights the trade-offs between POW and POS, with hybrid mechanisms offering potential solutions. Cryptographic analysis of subjectivity bounds models POS systems against long-range attacks, emphasizing the importance of checkpoint mechanisms and social consensus procedures. Advanced attack vectors in subjective consensus include equivocation, distributed checkpoint poisoning, weak subjectivity period exploitation, and time-delayed attacks, highlighting the need for robust security measures. The philosophical implications of subjectivity in POS raise questions about the nature of truth in decentralized systems, challenging traditional notions of verification and trust. Understanding the security trade-offs in POS systems involves balancing energy efficiency, economic security, and practical impact, with subjectivity being a fundamental property rather than a flaw. The conclusion emphasizes rethinking security models in consensus systems, highlighting the need for future research to optimize security assumptions and explore hybrid models balancing objectivity and subjectivity.